Hi there. If you've been wondering what kind of business you should start, or how do you even take a business online if you've got a local business, there's two paths. One is you create a website, and on the other side, you create an e-commerce store. So let's first talk about the website. When I talk about a website basically includes pages that are filled with content that don't change a lot. With a website, you can incorporate a blog and you can also incorporate e-commerce. The platform I use to create all my websites is WordPress. I use a digital marketing platform called Builderall, which incorporates WordPress, plus a number of other tools that are easy to use. And if you would like to know more about that, you can click on the button in the video where it says, where do I even start? That will then take you to a video series where I teach you about WordPress and, second of all, Builderall. So now let's have a look at the second option that I was talking about. I was talking about starting an e-commerce store that stands on its own. There is only one platform I recommend for building a standalone e-commerce store, and that is Shopify. Why do I talk about Shopify and WordPress? Because they're all very easy to use. A novice can pick up a piece of paper, make a couple of notes, type those notes onto a Word document, and upload that content to any of the two platforms. So if you think it's very hard or it's too technical to start a website or an e-commerce store, it really is not. If you can type into a Microsoft Word document, you can start an online business. Obviously, there's a couple of things you need to learn along the way, but to get started, so simple. So, with me, you're either going to use WordPress or you're going to use Shopify. I'll show you how to use both. How to start by figuring out what kind of business you want to start, what niche you're going to target, what you're going to call your business, registering your business, getting a domain set up, installing a theme, and then putting content into your website, as well as optimizing it for search engines. Obviously, I'll be there to help you along the way. If you ever have any questions, you can get in touch with me. I'll also have a program up and running soon enough, which will allow you to get unlimited support from me for a year or more, depending on your choice. You can have a month-to-month support or an annual support package. That's it for now. To figure out which way you want to go, click on the Where Do I Even Start button. If you like the kind of knowledge I'm sharing in either of the two video series, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am uploading content every Friday. And if you'd like to stay up to date, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks. See you in the next video.